Hi everyone, welcome back to Techcally. If you are new to the channel, today will be spiced up because the device we'll be talking about today will be very hot. It is the one and only Tecno Phantom X. But before we spice things up, let's take a few minutes to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification icon. Also drop a like, dislike and comment on the video. Now let the spicing begin. Looking at the device, the Phantom X carries a smooth metal glass rear panel that is curved inward at both edges. At the rear, we can see the camera setup. Without being told, you will know that the Tecno is working hard to make this a solid device for photography. As we can see, the rear camera are 3 plus multiple LED flashlights, and thank God for Tecno, the 6.7-inch 90Hz Full HD Plus display is an AMOLED display, which is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 processor plus Android 11 out of the box, and the phone is powered by 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Tecno has tried this time for including this feature, but as we know, nothing goes for nothing. I bet when this device is out, just pray it is not too expensive. Then moving to the rear triple camera, the device packs a 50 megapixel main lens, 30 megapixels and 8 megapixel additional units. Like I said, the device is not out yet, so just wait till the end of this month. For selfie, we have a 48 megapixel normal camera and another 8 megapixel additional camera. So at the selfie camera, we have 2 cameras. The iOS launcher will be customly made for the Tecno Phantom X that will be backed up by a 4700 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. Since the launch of the device will be few months away, we expect more detail to pop out in the future, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification icon, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye for now. Thanks.